SRPT stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1 minute video. Till the end, find out. Especially as I'm just looking at SRPT, my prediction is going to be well so simple. Bro, I'm the only person in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I'm telling you this, like, I really mean it. SRPT is just going down. Like, if I zoom out, pre-market is a bit higher, but still nothing changes the fact that if I see breaks beneath 15 bucks, this is a straight sell. And when is this going to be a buy? Well, first signs of some bulls are going to be breaks above 22.70. And if I do not see that happening, then I guess nothing's going to change here, you know. So I'll continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion on SRPT. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy. See ya.